Hi everybody, I'm Chris Maxwell and this is another episode of the Fire Me channel. Today we are going to be talking about Virgin Galactic as part of our IPO portfolio series. And this is a very exciting company. It is run by none other than Richard Bronson. You may have heard this name before. He runs Virgin Records, Virgin Atlantic. He's got several very successful companies. He's in the same league as Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk in terms of the space race of private space flight. SpaceX, run by Elon Musk, is probably the most heard of since he has been doing these rockets that essentially launch and land back on their launching pads. Incredible technology. But as far as Virgin Galactic, what makes this company really interesting is, number one, it's the first and only publicly traded space company. And two, they are already booking flights for space travel for private citizens. So right now the average flight is about $250,000. I assume that the price is going to drop dramatically in the near future. But this is really the beginning of commercial space travel for all of us. It's very exciting. But the other reason I really like this company is they're working on technology to do subspace flights that are going to go all over the world that will dramatically reduce the amount of time it actually takes to fly somewhere. So a great example of this is United States to Australia. I believe the current flight time on a commercial plane is about 18 hours. With the subspace flight that Virgin Galactic is working on, a trip like that could be as little as 3 hours. So that's a huge savings in fuel, time, all the rest of it. So very exciting. This is just a fledgling industry right now. They're probably going to work out lots of kinks, I'm sure. But interestingly, I believe it's 2020 already that they are planning on launching the first commercial flights for people to go up and have a short ride in outer space and return to Earth. So are they going to be super profitable in the near term? Maybe not, but I do think this is the future of aviation, and this is the ground floor level. To me, this is kind of like Tesla back when it was $10, $20 a share. People that got in and held on for 10 years have done incredibly well, and I think this is the same thing. Get in now, and you wait for 10, 20 years, and your children, your grandchildren, if they still in this stock, will, I'm sure, be very well off. Hopefully, some of these other companies, like SpaceX, become public too. To me, it'd be the new airline of the future when these guys get going. So, very exciting. Like I said, don't buy this company for its current valuation, for its current profitability. Buy this as a visionary for long-term growth. It's definitely the future of flight, in my opinion. And I really like this company. Now, we aren't going to actually purchase any shares. I would like to for our $1 million portfolio, but some of these companies that are newly listed, the Wealthsimple trade platform doesn't support them at this time. For various reasons. There's some securities laws and issues because they're based in Canada with what they can and can't put on that platform. But I have bought a few of these shares for my own private personal portfolio at home. Not a whole lot, but just enough to keep interested. Anyways, that is Virgin Galactic. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. There'll be lots more videos like this, and also make sure you leave some comments what you think about Virgin Galactic. Are you an investor? Are you planning to? What do you think the future of aviation is? I really think the space flight is going to be the next big thing. So anyways, I hope you guys are having a great day, and we will see you in the next video.